After collision, what we have to show for what, like here, this will be here. Yeah. This is that L, and the particle will have velocity v1. What to do? Which particle in what action it will have velocity? Nothing to do. We should not look at the particle. What we should look at? We should look at the center of mass here, where the center of mass of this system will be. That will locate anybody. It should be exactly the midpoint. So for that, we'll take a symbol like this. Center of mass of system, or shall I go for center of mass of L-shaped rod? Center of mass of L-shaped system only, not total system. So for that, here is what you have to show velocity of center of mass V2. What about how do it rotate? Clockwise, because definitely when they come and collide, an impulse will act on it in this direction. That impulse will make it to rotate. So it will make it to rotate. So therefore, here the angular velocity will be like this. Now, what all things can we? So this distance, let it be r. What is 2r is equal to r equal to L root 2. Let's get into some calculation part. 2r is equal to L root 2. So r is equal to L by root 2. Then that angle should be 45 degrees. This angle will be 45, this angle will be 45. First, shall we apply conservation of linear momentum? But sir, this massless frame is there, what to do? Nothing to do, bother. This is not a rod, massless frame. Only particles is what we should look at here. No? I'll give name A, B, C, D, yeah? A, B, D like this. Yeah, let's get into. Now, conservation of momentum shall apply. Yes, I can apply conservation of momentum. Applying conservation of linear momentum, mu should be equal to mv1 plus 2mv2, or u equal to v1 plus 2v2. Keep it equation. And then conservation of angular momentum. About what point it should be conserved? About the point about which the L-shaped frame is rotating. It will rotate about what? About its center of mass. C, that one. About C, I should conserve. So for that, we don't have that distances, no? So this distances, you take help of like this. So what can be this distance? Y. Should be L by 2. Phi should be L by 2. Look at the mathematics. Again, Y should be L by 2. So now applying conservation of angular momentum, LCZI equal to LCZF. LCZI, MU Y clockwise should be equal to MV1Y clockwise plus moment of inertia 2 mr square into omega 2. M gets eliminated. U L by 2 clockwise. All are clockwise, no? So this will be V1. Y is L by 2.
Sir, shouldn't it be 2m into r square, sir?
Mass of this is m into r square. Of this particle, mr square. Of this is how much? Mr square.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So this will be 2m. R square is L by root 2 whole square. Omega 2. How many unknowns are there again? Again, the biggest problem, the 3 unknowns, no, we need one more equation. What is one more equation? Quotient of restitution formula or conservation of kinetic energy. So which one shall I apply? It's left to you. It's left to you. Will I get same answer? Yes, I'll get same answer. So I'll prefer conservation of kinetic energy because never we applied it. Mu square is equal to mv1 square by 2. Kinetic energy of center of mass of system. It should be 2m v2 square by 2 plus 2 mr square by 2 of into omega 2 square. So this is equation 3. Equation 1, 2, 3, solve it together, required answer. And then how soon the angular speed of the speed of striking mass after collision is. If you get negative order, that means it will rebound towards left. Then the angular speed of L frame immediately after collision is asking this omega 2. How soon will the frame come to orientation shown in the after collision? What do you mean by that? To come to this position, what is should be the frame? How much, what angle, through what angle it should rotate? Through what angle it should rotate means I think we should have the after some time the situation will be this will become horizontal. It will be this is B D, no, this will be this will become B, this will become D. Fine. So I think that's what the thing is asked, no. So how much actually the frame has rotated, the frame has yeah, the frame has rotated. This is what t equal to 0. So what is the angular displacement it has undergone? How much of angular displacement? Pi radian. And you know omega 2 is equal to pi by t. See, so you should have the rotating object, different shaped objects. If they rotate, how do they appear different positions? If you don't know that, nobody can help you. Huh? Come out of your fantasy world of what? Fantasy of world of imagination. You are doing unnecessary imagination, movies, that particular show. You know, we have Big Boss, no? What you get watching Big Boss? You want to become engineer, no? I don't think so. That will help you a lot. What you get watching movies? Okay, weekly one movie, fine, good. But what you get listening songs, hours together, and what you imagine? Must are good romantic songs. Then if you're a boy, what happen in place of that heroine? What happen? You'll imagine yourself or your girlfriend. Or if you are a girlfriend, what happen? You'll imagine some other XYZ. This what no? Say one or the other day you're going to get married. Huh? Why to dream about that marriage, everything so for so many years at this age? Because I've seen like some of your parents telling like he's listening to songs more. What is the necessity for you? How you want to become poet, huh? Or you want to become musician? You want to become a lyrist? Okay, fine. You don't want to become either musician or lyrist or actor or actress. Then what is how you're related to that? Sir, enjoyment. Then you enjoy, no? You enjoy in exam. See, you must have a clarity what you want to become. Linear momentum along x-axis. Linear momentum along x-axis, no? Along y-axis also considered. Initial momentum along y-axis is 0, final momentum along y-axis is 0. Angular momentum about what point the L frame rod rotate about that particular point. So it will rotate about its center of mass. Please do understand, time is very crucial. Time is very crucial. I see it's not like just say some of you are reading this book and in mind some other thing is there. That will not work out. Science and technology. All these are very general thing. You must have observation. I'm not against entertainment, but entertainment unlimited is what I'm against it. You know? So you want to become engineer. So your head, what happen? 80% of time, all these things should revolve. 10%, okay, one, two songs, okay, 10 minutes you want to listen music. Okay, good. or some half an hour Cartoon Network you are watching, or say some weekly one movie. It's good, nothing wrong. But not like hours together listening music, and some are listening music and studying this. Oh God, like it's not correct. You should not listen any music. I don't think so. It's not suggestible. Please do change. It's something. Say you want to become something very big, then you should sacrifice. You should sacrifice. You are unable to sacrifice. Quit. Take cancel admission. I'm telling this one. You want enjoyment. You want to watch a daily movie every 1 hour. You want to listen songs. Then come at the age of 18 years. No question of any romance. I'm telling you this one. Only after getting good job you should think. After getting good job only you should think that one or the other girl, good girl will come. Why to bother? Or for girl also, one or the other good boy will come. Why to bother that one? So come out of that fantasy world. I didn't like our sitting hours together at this age and dreaming. So when you are going to get married, everyone, I think 25 years, I'm sure 20, say 23 to 25. So how much of time you are having? Almost 5 to 8 years, no? Why we should bother now only? What will come first for you, marriage or the job? Or becoming a good engineer? Become good engineer. So become good engineer, then afterwards we'll think. There's a wrong way of taking life. This what happened, I know, because I see no, like morning I get up, no, that one, loudspeakers, songs. My neighbor, he will keep songs. And what is some working in is something in BTech in second year. I asked him like, you want to become engineer? No, what is related to this song? He's looking at me as if I'm villain. And he want to become good engineer. Their parents telling sir, give some instructions to him, he should become engineer. When I call that kid and say like, hey, you want to become engineer, morning, get up 6:30, he'll get up and he'll put all romantic songs. Of course, free of cost, I'm going to hear it. But this what happens is wasting his time, no? I seen whenever I go in journey, no, students what happen, they'll be having headphones nowadays, very good headphones are there, earbuds are there, mobile will be there, they'll be listening. I'll just ask them, what you are listening? Movie songs, or what you are watching in YouTube, some movie. I'll not ask 30, 40 years old, because already has achieved something in life, is having a job, is having a right to enjoy. But not student, not age of like a from 12 to 25 years. You're not permitted for to spend so much of time on entertainment. You do ask. I think you when you go in journey, no, do ask. Just ask clarification. What is there? That one? What you are listening? What you are hearing? Everyone movie or see or this that. Nobody watches anything related to science, and everyone wants to become engineer. How nation will become big? How things will change when a engineer spends so much of time on entertainment? How do you get so many good technologies to the country? Nothing, no. Okay, fine. I'm leaving